And so Alexis, with you being a new amputee, one of the other things I really wanted to touch on was getting to figuring out what works and how to troubleshoot the fit, right? So early on that learning, okay, I need to add a sock, I need to take off a sock, I need to make sure how things feel over the foot and what changes you're going through, of making sure that you're asking questions, that as things come up, talk to your prosthetist and say, hey, I'm having this, and trying to help build that toolbox together of, when I start feeling this, what can I do? So that you have the tools to make sure that you're kind of maintaining your socket fit throughout the day, and that you start to become familiar with your prosthesis and how your prosthesis, your socket should fit, your alignment should feel, so that you can continue to advocate for yourself. And so that's one of the things that working with newer patients, of kind of building that common language together, right? Of here's what, when you're making alignment changes, I love to talk people through of, here's what I'm seeing, how does it feel? And then I feel I'm going to make this change. It should feel like you have a little bit longer toe, or it should feel like you're falling it looks like you're falling to the outside of the foot. I'm going to make this change so you feel like you're falling more evenly over the foot. And trying to basically build that communication together so that you're having the tools to tell me, because there's only so much that we can see. And I don't know how it feels inside the socket, that I have things that I can do to try and make an educated guess. But the more that you can work together with your prosthetist, this is a team. This isn't the prosthetist comes in and fits a leg and everything's great. It depends on your feedback and what you say, and being able to advocate for yourself of, hey, I have pain here, I'm dealing with this, or this doesn't feel quite right. And being able to build that communication together is huge. And so really working early on of trying to have that communication, and I think trying to relay with each other of, one, for me, using what other people have told me of, hey, this feels like this way, or it feels like I'm kicking a bowling ball, or it feels like I'm dragging my foot, of, okay, how do I relate that into terms of what's actually going on in order to fix it and make it easier to walk and make it feel more natural.